Walmart is already cheap, but most people still pay more than they need to because they shop without using the app features, pricing tools, and hidden store systems that change the final total. By the end of this, you'll know 8 simple Walmart hacks that actually reduce what you spend without needing coupons or complicated setups. Start with the Walmart app scanner. When you scan an item in store, it often shows online pricing or nearby variations. That lets you compare before you put anything in your cart instead of finding out later at checkout. Next is using rollback tags as a signal, not just a discount. Rollback items rotate frequently, and the app sometimes shows updated pricing before shelf labels change. That means the app can be more accurate than what you see in front of you. Third is ordering groceries for pickup instead of shopping inside the store. When you build your cart digitally, you avoid impulse items that are placed in high-traffic areas like end caps and checkout aisles. Fourth is using Walmart Plus fuel discounts if you already drive regularly. The discount only applies when you activate it through the app before paying, which most people forget to do. Fifth is checking clearance sections at the back of aisles instead of just end caps. Clearance items are often grouped together, and they don't always get marked clearly on the main shelf. Sixth is splitting grocery trips into 2 carts in the app, one essentials list and one optional list. This reduces overspending because you can review non-urgent items before buying them. Seventh is using cashback apps after checkout. Apps like Ibotta or similar services let you upload receipts and earn money back on eligible items you already plan to buy. Eighth is price matching where available. Some Walmart locations allow adjustments if you find a lower advertised price, but you need to show proof before completing checkout. The real pattern across all of these hacks is control. Walmart is designed for fast, impulse-heavy shopping, and most of the savings come from slowing that process down and checking prices before you commit. To summarize, scanning items reveals hidden pricing, pickup reduces impulse buying, and cashback plus rollbacks stack savings on purchases you're already making. A practical next step is to open the Walmart app before your next trip and build a full shopping list inside it, even if you still plan to shop in-store, so you can see pricing differences before you spend. If this helped, like and subscribe for more simple breakdowns of real ways to save money on everyday shopping.